This is one of Qasim's small dreams. I saw how I was distributing food to other people. I finished distributing food to everyone, and they had enough food to fill themselves. When I looked at how much food I had left, there was a lot remaining. Then Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam told me, Qasim, distribute more food. I looked around and everyone looked satisfied and filled. Then I started distributing more food and people looked at me in shock. They were telling me, Qasim, we are satisfied and our stomach is filled. I continued distributing and I saw how I still had food left. Then I started thinking whether I should keep the rest to myself or not. Then I thought about something that made me feel bad. I thought, what if Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam appears in someone else's dreams, saying to him that go and tell Qasim that Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam told him to distribute more food. I don't ever want the time to come where Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam starts messaging others just to convince me. This would definitely make me feel really bad. So I started distributing more food until in the end, people would refuse. And the dream ends there.